Watch how easy it is to make a spare key fob with the help of Tom's Key Company without leaving your driveway. Watch to the end of the video where I'm going to show you two things. First, how to get the emergency key blade cut with Tom's Key Company Key by Photo technology. And second, we're going to call the Acura dealership and see how much they want to charge to make a spare key fob when you could do it right at home in about 10 minutes. Here's our existing working key for the vehicle. Here's the new one we're programming in with the blue key tag. And that works just great. This one does nothing. Get started. Take this programming device from Tom's Key Company. We're going to scan the QR code. With the app installed, we're going to fire it up and it'll walk us through everything we need to know. Compare new key. And we need to plug this into the OBD port. To plug this guy in, we got to look around at the gas and brake pedal and plug it in. To make your life a little bit easier, pick up this optional extension cable so you can see what's going on with the programmer. Okay, we see we've got power, and we'll continue. And press to scan. We need to find the device, and here it is. There's a serial number on the back. Okay, and we see it's made the Bluetooth connection. Okay, begin programming. Here we go. Calibrating and warm resist. This may take up to 15 minutes. All right, we need to enter the VIN and try scanning the VIN. Let's see how it does. Here we go. It tried to scan the VIN. It did not get it right. So if it doesn't get it right, you may need to enter it manually. Okay, I've entered the VIN and it finds it's an Acura MDX 2020. That is correct, so let's continue. It's a smart key, push button start ignition. Okay, it should take no more than 15 minutes. Don't leave the app during programming. Make sure you have your previously programmed keys. You need to make sure you've got a solid internet connection. And there is a tech support phone number you can contact during regular business hours if you run into problems. So here we go, initiating programming. Notice the Bluetooth light just dropped off. It's back. Okay, leave the ignition off. Turn on the hazard lights. Right there. Continue. During the procedure, avoid, it's got some cautions or warning here. Click the start button 2 times to turn to the on position. So 1, 2, I'm not pressing the engine. We see the dashboard light up. You want to turn off lights, radio, HVAC, anything that's drawing vehicle battery, and we can hit continue. Okay, take all keys, new, old keys, all keys outside the vehicle, place them at least 10 feet. Let's get these outside the vehicle. Okay, there are no keys in the vehicle, and we're actually seeing a warning on the screen about that. We know the keys are far enough away from the vehicle that it's not recognizing. Okay, so we're ready to continue. Bring the currently working programmed keyless remote inside the vehicle, place it by the gear shifter, hold your phone at least 2 feet away from the remote before clicking continue. Here's our one working key fob. Set it down here by the gear shifter. And I got my phone about as far away as I can. Okay, detecting the key. Please wait. That's what the app says. Take the keyless remote outside the vehicle. We'll set it back away. Okay, it's outside the vehicle. It's back at that 10 foot away. Okay, bring the new keyless remote inside the vehicle. Hold the back side. Let me go get that key fob. Okay, this new one to be programmed here with the blue tag is the only one in the vehicle. Bring the new remote back inside the vehicle. Hold the back side over the face of the vehicle's start button. So right here, do not press down. Hold your phone at least 2 feet away from the remote before clicking continue. Putting key fob over the button, pressing continue. In less than 15 seconds, click the start button twice with the back of the remote to turn the ignition to the on position. Okay, it says to wait. Click the start button once to turn the ignition off. Okay, and then it says click it twice to turn it back on. Okay. It's asking if the security light is flashing at this time. There is no green security light. Okay, no, it's not flashing. Click the start button once, turn the ignition off. Okay, tells me to click it twice, turn the ignition on. Okay, tells we have success. Okay, that was it. Keyless remote programming successful. Let's see if this thing works. Before we test, to make sure our remotes are working, we need to make sure both remotes are far enough from the vehicle that the vehicle is not recognizing either remote. With both remotes out of the vehicle, it does nothing. It does not recognize any. So then we can bring them back in one at a time, make sure they each work. Okay, let's make sure the remotes are both working. Here's the existing one. Locks and unlocks the doors. Here's the brand new one. Locks and unlocks the doors. Beautiful. All right, let's see what the Acura dealership wants to charge to make one of these keys. I'm looking to find out what a new key is going to cost on a 2020 Acura MDX.
All right, they come in driver 1 and driver 2. Do you know which one you have or which one you need?
I need driver 2.
So driver 2 for that car shows to be a tech package, so it's actually got the remote start. I'm not sure if you
that's right.
knew that, but now you do. So the fob, this comes as sort of 3 pieces.
Okay.
You buy the driver 2 fob, which is $226. There's an emergency key that pushes into it.
Yep.
That has to be cut to the code of your vehicle by VIN.
Okay.
With our special key machine here.
Yep.
It runs $76.06.
Okay.
Then labor to program it is $180.
$180.
So,
okay.
So you'd be roughly $482 plus a little tax.
$482 for a key fob when it takes 15 minutes in your driveway. Can you believe that? Come to tomskey.com, place your order. You'll have a key fob and save hundreds of dollars and lots of time over what the car dealership wants to rip you off for. Okay, now for the magic of the Key by Photo key cutting service. When you place your order, add our Key by Photo key cutting service. You're going to snap 3 photos. You want to have your phone directly above the key so we can clearly see it. And then through the magic of the Key by Photo key cutting technology, we'll cut your key so it arrives already fitting the vehicle. New key, look at that. It fits beautifully. Can you believe how easy that was to make a spare key right in the driveway? At Tom's Key Company, as long as you can use a cell phone, you can make a spare key for your vehicle without leaving home. And never fear, if something goes wrong, we have great customer service. Reach out to us, help.tomskey.com, through our website where you'll find answers to common questions, and you can contact customer support if you run into issues. Also be aware of the technical support numbers to help you during programming. We'll help solve the problem, but never fear, if for some reason it just won't work for your vehicle, let us know, ship everything back, you get a full refund. It's that easy. If you've lost all your keys, I'm sorry about that. Go check out our All Keys Lost section where we'll point you to a company that can come to you and help you make a spare. Be sure you smash the like button and subscribe so you can find this video to follow along when you're programming your spare key right at home. Also, drop a comment down below. Let others know just how easy your experience was with Tom's Key Company. We're here to help you save money. If you want to see what the car dealership experience is like, check out this video right here. Thanks, have a great day.